Hello, my name is Leah and I am part of the Camp Scholarship Program, and I'm here to tell you guys a little more about the Immigrant Refugee Center. The Immigrant Refugee Center is located in Greeley, Colorado. It is in the same building as the Sunrise Community Clinic, which I partnered with in 2023 to provide more resources to the immigrant community of Northern Colorado. The Immigrant Refugee Center relies on donations from both individuals and organizations, as well as volunteers and interns from the community. So BUENO Camp took a trip over to both the Weld County Food Bank and the Immigrant Refugee Center, where in the warehouse at the food bank we helped package bags of canned goods that were said to be distributed, and part of the food from the Weld County Food Bank goes to the mobile pantries, which this last Friday was stationed outside the Immigrant Refugee Center, where BUENO Camp students came and helped out from beginning to end, and the Immigrant Refugee Center let us be a part of it by allowing us to go in, talk to these families, hand out food boxes, and be included from the setting up tables, handing out food, and then the cleanup. It is important for all of us to play a role in solving the huge problem of food scarcity among our communities. A great way of doing that was participating in the mobile food pantry, specifically in Greeley. We have a large immigrant and migrant community, and it is great to get out there and help and meet new people. The Immigrant Refugee Center does accept volunteers and interns, so it is important to get out there and do your part. Thank you.